Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income proof video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions, profit and monthly recurring commissions have recently come in. I'm live in my Warrior Plus account here, and that's now a total of $9,509 of products sold, and the commissions earned from that is $4,632.52. But more importantly, in this video, what I want to show you is how with these products in the Warrior Plus marketplace, you can earn a growing monthly recurring income. And it's really important that you promote products that are going to give you a monthly recurring income so you can start the beginning of every month in profit, and you're not just chasing one-off and instant commissions. The offers I'm going to show you today are high converting offers. They're not only high converting offers, they're offers where you can promote one link and you can earn multiple income streams because they've all got a done for you funnel built into them. And I'm going to show you how you can get a profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. And what that means in the industry is that every month with your traffic, you're in profit with your traffic. So you're no longer having to buy traffic from your job income, your wages. If you're like me and you've got a full-time job and maybe you're buying traffic from your wages or from your savings account, then you're going to be buying your future traffic from profits. And that's really key as well, because then you can scale your primary business up faster by reinvesting and buying more traffic. And I'm going to show you these offers to promote that are always in demand. They're in an evergreen niche, which is the traffic niche. Thousands of people are coming online every single day, and they're all looking for traffic to promote their offers. And if you look down here, I'll just show you a few different stats within Warrior Plus. So if you look down the right hand side, what you'll see is a circular arrow. Any gaps within that circular arrow are new customers coming in, new referrals. But these circular arrows here show you that you're going to be promoting these traffic offers. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can see the offers. I'm going to show you the strategy later on, and the offers on that page. But recurring payments, so these are members like myself. So I've joined, I'm a member of each and every one of these. I'm paying a monthly membership because I'm getting autopilot buyers traffic to my offers. So I'm not only getting buyers in front of my offers, I'm automating my traffic while I'm at work or while I'm with my family or friends, etc. 7 months in a row, 14 months in a row for that member. That's a new one there. 4 months in a row. That's a new one there. 13 months in a row. 6 months in a row. And if I scroll down, you'll just see all the circular arrows. Each of these, they are all monthly recurring payments coming in. Every single one, 11 months in a row. So you're promoting offers that are not only in demand, you're getting a high retention, because a lot of the members are also becoming affiliates like myself. They're becoming affiliates, and what they're doing is they're promoting the offer and getting into profit themselves. So what I want to show you here now is another really important thing, which is where you can earn multiple income streams promoting one link. So I'm going to give you a really good example here of this one here, Click Engine. So let me just show you here. So on the 21st of last month, then this member at 4 minutes past 7 joined the Click Engine, and they got the yearly one there at $49. And then they also at 8 minutes past 4 What they also did was buy double the buyer traffic. And then 2 minutes later, at 4:10, spent $94 on the Click Engine case study. So you can see here, this is one member, and then from there, they're the commissions you earn: $23 there, $7 there, and $45 there. So that's they're 50% commissions. Now, only one of those is recurring, but you can see that it all adds up. I'll give you another example here. I think this is one here of Click Traffic Cyclone. Another one here. So this member here has got Click Traffic Cyclone. Then they've upgraded a minute later to the one-time offer, another minute later. So you're promoting one link, but you're earning multiple income streams. I want to show you that this is also a growing income stream as well. So what I'm going to do is, I started last year. I'm going to go into my stats for last year and just show you for 11 months last year what my stats were. That's from the 1st of January 2022 to 31st of December. So I bought my very first product, the Click Engine, in February last year when it was launched. And I want to draw your attention to these 3 columns here: 462 items. I'd like you to make a mental note of these numbers: 462 items, $4,070 sold, and $1,957 in commission. So that was for 11 months last year, because this is a growing income stream, and it's important that you promote offers that are in demand and high converting. And we're going to go into this year to date. Warrior Plus is great, where it gives you all these different stats. We're going to go year to date, and we're going to compare. So we've just gone past the 6-month mark, halfway through this year. So last year, for 11 months, was 400 and something items. So already this year, 602 items. We're just halfway through the year. And last year was, I think, $4,000 something, 5,444 in sales. And the commissions for 11 months last year were 1,957, and commissions this year so far in 6 months, 2,677. So you can see that this is not only profitable, it's profitable every single month. It's also a growing income month on month and over the course of the year. And the strategy that I teach is this one here. So I'm going to pin this page to the top comment below this video so you can get the strategy that I use. So people were asking me how I was getting these commissions and how I was building this portfolio of traffic sites up. So I created a video how you can too. Now it does say here how to get your buyer traffic for free, but it's a lot more than that. It teaches you how to build a buyers list, how to get your primary business in front of thousands of existing buyers and thousands of new buyers that are joining these sites every single month. And then if you want to get started today, there'll be links underneath the video where you can join. These are the 4 offers that I'm a member of, an affiliate of. They're the commissions that I've shown you today. And if you want to get this page and promote it, then you can join Leads Leap. And then you can get free traffic, and you can get all the free tools you need with Leads Leap to build any online business. It's a free lifetime membership. So all you do is watch that video, and then you can get this Leads Leap. You can get this page here, and you can promote this page like I am. You can use my video as well. That's sort of proof that the system's working. It's all right to use other people's proof before you get your own proof. And then what you do is, all you do is just watch that video there. It'll teach you how to set this page up. And when you promote this page, you can earn another additional income stream promoting this page, because your affiliate link will go under here where it says click here to join Leads Leap. So if your referrals want to join Leads Leap, then they'll do so, and then you'll see here total earnings $735. Then you can earn a monthly recurring income stream on the Leads Leap tools and traffic. Even as a free member, you can earn 25% recurring income if you stay as a free lifetime member. It's not compulsory to upgrade. If you want to upgrade, you'll earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. But that's another additional income stream on top of the Warrior Plus income stream as well. So everyone needs tools as well. So and you can use the Leads Leap tools here for promoting any online business. Everything's here that you need. If you want more information on Leads Leap, I've got a playlist on my channel as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media. I'd really appreciate that as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about the Warrior Plus offers or Leads Leap or anything, any of this video content, please leave those questions in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So this is the page I'll pin to the top comment below this video. I just recommend that you just watch my video here, and then if you want to get started today with any of these, you can get started with any of these or all of these, whatever's within your budget. I started with the Click engine, and then I just built on that and built the portfolio up from there. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.